are leaving a ton of money on the table without a consistent marketing strategy that has quality and value-driven content in it. Are you a business broker and you want to have a lot of ready-to-take action leads in your inbox and voicemails for business owners who want to sell? Well, you need to begin by having a foundational marketing strategy. I know all the different things out there that you can do. You could send mailers, and you could have a digital strategy, and you could have a radio commercial, and so forth and so on. But how about having consistent, quality, foundational marketing, like an email sequence going out once a month, twice a month, 4 times a month, and hitting different parts, different kinds of people that are in your list, like people who you've talked to, referral people, etc. Or how about having like a consistent social media strategy where you have content that shows that you're an expert in the business brokerage field, that you are winning with closed deals, that you have an active list and portfolio of business owners with listing alerts. Most business brokers, they want to have all, they do these one-shot marketing approach, and they don't have anything foundational, so that when people come back to them from a mailer, a direct mail piece, that they have a good website, that they have good social media presence, etc. You are leaving a ton of money on the table without a consistent marketing strategy that has quality and value-driven content in it. If you want some insight on how to do that, we would love to share what has been working with all of our clients around the country. We'll break it down. We'll show you what's working with our clients, and we will help you make sure that you are winning this year.